Hey, Niagara, how you doing? Shawn DeLaat here with the DeLaat Real Estate Team with your September market update for 2023. And while I always like to start with a little recap of what's been going on in the market from the beginning of the year, January and February starting off slow. The government and the Bank of Canada announced that they weren't really going to do anything with rates potentially till September or October of this year, creating a little bit of confidence in the market and making us have a strong spring market. Well, with that strong spring market, the government and Bank of Canada changed their minds and decided to raise rates both in June and July. And those two rate hikes has created quite a stir in our real estate market. Here we are in September. The Bank of Canada held the rate this month, really doing us no favors. The market is still dealing with the June and July rate hike, pushing our market down. And not to mention, there is talk of another rate hike at the end of October. So what does this mean for everybody? Well, first, I'd love to talk to the sellers. Sellers, if you want a specific number, this market may not yield that. We are dealing with these interest rates compressing prices down. So therefore, if you want to try and stretch the market, this is not the market for you. Now, I hear a lot of talk, okay, well, you know what, if we can't do it right now, maybe we'll wait till spring. Well, I got some news for you. If the rate goes up in October, it's going to push the market down even lower. And when start in spring, prices may even be lower than what they were this spring. So if you're a seller waiting to cash in on the big bucks, I'm going to tell you to buckle up, sit back, and hold off for a little while. You're waiting for those rates to drop. Now, if you're a seller who owns a house and is looking at buying another house, great news. There's a relative factor to all of this. Your house goes down in price, the house you're buying goes down in price. So what you need to decide right now, sellers, is if you want to sell or you need to sell. If you want to sell, my suggestion is to sit back on the sidelines and kind of wait for things to kind of correct themselves. If you're a seller that needs to sell, well, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to prepare your expectations. Your house is most likely worth less than what you think. Right now, if you bought your house in 2021, your house is worth exactly what you paid. The market has now compressed down to 2021 prices. If you bought your house prior to 2021, great news, your house is still worth more. But when I'm doing my market evaluations lately, and I've looked at some properties that have sold in 2021, the prices are the exact same. And with another rate hike coming in October, it's going to push prices even lower. So another thing I want to point out is for all you buyers out there. Guys, when we talk about affordability, is it the mortgage? Is it the interest rate that's affordable? Is it the house price that's affordable? Well, if I'm looking at affordability, it's my payment that's affordable. All right? So here we are dealing with interest rates. Interest rates are high right now, pushing prices down to what some might consider affordable. But is it really still affordable with the high interest rate? Your payment's going to be the same. So as a buyer, are you waiting for prices to go down further? Or are you waiting for rates to go down so you can afford a property? That is incorrect thinking. Because here's what happens. Rates go down. House prices go up. Guess what? Low rates, higher house price, same payment. So guys, payments are going to be the same whether the house prices are low and interest rates are high, or whether the interest rates are low and prices are high. So buyers, there is an incredible opportunity coming your way. I think we are going to hit another bottom this winter. And yes, going into the next year, prices will be dramatically down. What we're seeing from this June and July rate hike and potential October rate hike, and I feel very confident it's coming, it is going to compact prices. Not only that, there is a lot of people now who are needing to sell. And there's a lot of inventory on the market. So there's only one way you're going to get your house sold. That's pricing your house aggressive, undercutting the rest of the market, or taking a lower offer to the rest of the market. And these opportunities are going to be coming for you buyers. But again, sellers, you need to reach out to David and DeLaat and let us guide you through the best possible course of action to help you sell your house and make a potential plan. Whether you're someone who needs to sell, again, prepare your expectation. Or if you're someone who wants to sell, wants to get that big number, we can help guide you and tell you the optimum time to sell your home. So buyers, get out there, get pre-approved, and buy a house, because I'd rather buy a house now while prices are low. And then when those interest rates go down and house prices go up, guess what I just did? I made money through equity in my home. So if you like to make money, go and buy a house now. And sellers, if you want to make money, you're going to wait. But there's plenty of opportunities arising. But I'm going to tell you right now, sellers, we are in a buyer's market. Straight out, it's not a seller's market. It's not even a balanced market. It is a buyer's market. So therefore, sellers, pricing your house aggressive will achieve a sale, and buyers, great opportunities for you. So get out there and buy a house.